$1,000. If this is your budget to build a gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can build the best gaming PC under $1,000. Let's get started. So first, for the processor, I've chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one costs around $164. Now this is an ultimate budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Mac B660. This one costs around $189. Now with that price, you are going to get a very premium motherboard. As you can see, there's a large heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. You will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD support, which is currently the fastest generation on the market. And overall, an excellent motherboard in this price. Then for the graphics card, we have chosen the XFX Radeon RX 6700. This one costs around $329. Now this is an 1440p gaming graphics card. You can play any modern games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings easily and smoothly. Not only that, you can play games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with more than 100 plus FPS. So it's an excellent, powerful budget graphics card. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the G-Skill Trident Z 16GB. This one costs around $61. Now these RAMs are very premium and also comes with those excellent RGB effect on the top, and also those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we have chosen the Western Digital Black 1TB. This one costs around $89. As you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 3000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, and it's because it has nearly 5000 plus Mbps read-write speed, which is excellent for an SSD. And also it comes with PCIe Gen 4, which is currently the fastest generation on the market. So overall, an excellent deal in this price. Then for the power supply, I've chosen the Corsair RM850E. This one costs around $114. Now this power supply is a fully modular power supply, which means you can detach all the unnecessary cables, so your cable management will be excellent. And also it is 80 plus gold certified power supply, which you will only found in the top tier PSUs. And finally, it comes with 10-year plus warranty, so an excellent deal. Finally, for the casing, we have chosen the NZXT H5 Flow. This one costs around $94. Now this is a very basic, minimalistic yet modern looking case, but casing is completely up to you. Buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $1,046. Thanks for watching.